Hello, Dan Moinski here, Certified AI Consultant and Chief AI Officer. Today, we're going to be walking through the LinkedIn connection for the AI Business Lab. So here I'm on the master chat. Let's go over here to connectors. So these are the connectors that we have available right now. So what we're going to do today is we're going to connect to LinkedIn. So we simply press the connect button, and over here on the left, we will get a pop-up to connect us directly to LinkedIn. All right, so here's that pop-up. So we just log in. All right, so this is what it would like to do. Modify, let's hit allow. And that is it. We are now officially connected. So let's go back over to the master chat and see what we can do. All right, so what the goal here today and what I'm going to be showing you is we're going to take a look at a Fathom call that we have, and then we're going to base a LinkedIn post from that Fathom call. So first thing is, since I am already connected to Fathom, we'll say at Fathom, take a look at a call last week, don't display his last name, and we'll see what Fathom has to say about that. All right, so it found the exact call that I wanted. So let's pull the transcript and summary. All right, so we can see that it pulled the transcript, it pulled both, Then what it wanted to do, it has the summary. It actually asked if I wanted to do a meeting insight miner. I hope to pull out some action items. No, I don't want to do that. I also want a summary. So actually what I wanted to do, as I mentioned earlier, is I wrote this prompt in here. So act as an expert in excellent LinkedIn posts for B2B AI audiences. Now draft a LinkedIn post about having a call with a client of mine about what I would do if I had to start over. That was in this call. Look at the conversation in the chat and provide an insightful LinkedIn post about practical and real advice I gave. Let's say gave. Start with a strong hook, and I want it to give me 3 options before I post it, and end the post with a question that will get people to want to reply. Again, I want 3 options. So let's see what it comes up with. All right, so here's what we got. So 3 good hooks to start. If I had an AI business, I'd do less. Most new consultants are chasing the wrong client. If I lost everything, I had to start over. I think I like number 2. I think I'll go with 2. And then here's the draft post. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to read through this in detail and probably do some edits. And then here are the 3 options at the end. If you had to start a business over today, what's the first thing you'd sell? What's one small win you could help a client get this week? Do you think small projects are the best way to get bigger clients? I actually like number 3 because it involves with the first hook that I have. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause, make a few edits, and then come right back. All right, I just went through, made a bunch of edits to this according to my AI sandwich. So of course, I'm using AI to help. Started with my AI idea, used AI to help me in the middle, and then I'm using my human brain to modify, tweak the exact verbiage and exactly what I wanted it to say. And there we go. So here is the clean copy that it came up with. All right. There's the hook. And there is the question. Okay, now it's asking me what I want to do. Shorter your punchers, more opinionated, more story-led, ready for LinkedIn carousel slides. All right, actually next, because this is exactly what I wanted to do, I want actually to post this directly. So now I'm going to say at LinkedIn, post this as is. I am ready to go. Please confirm. Okay, exactly as written. Before I do this, because this is live, I'm going to pause. I'm going to reread it again, just to make 100% sure. All right, I reread it and I am happy with the results. And now I'm going to send it off and post it directly to LinkedIn. Now, what's great about that is that everything was done right here in the master chat. I did not have to go to LinkedIn itself. I did not have to go to Fathom. I stayed right here in this channel, and I'm guessing it's about to tell me that it posted.